everyone, welcome to GCIT, the Master's Program in Global Communication and Innovation Technology at National Chengchi University, Taiwan. I'm Trisha Lin, GCIT Director and the Distinguished Professor of Communication at NCCU. At GCIT, we bring together interdisciplinary expertise and professional practices, supported by 5 NCCU colleges and the industry leaders. Our program combines new media, cutting-edge technologies, creative ideas, and a global mindset. Here, students master the art of the global communication and explore how innovations can shape the future. So, founded in February 2022, GCIT is dedicated to cultivating top talents in new media and global communication. It is the first EMI program in Taiwan to focus on global communication. And also, GCIT responds to the rapid development of the digital technology and the new media. And we also equip students with the knowledge and the skills to cope with the challenges and solve the problems in the real world. We have the Ministry of Culture support, and also our leader is the NCCU President Li. We are very proud to provide lots of resources for our students. So, with the support of the Ministry of Culture, GCIT integrated resources from the 5 colleges. We can see, communication, informatics, law, liberal arts, and the International College of Innovation. This makes GCIT truly unique. We feature a dual mentor system, local internships, overseas learning opportunities, and hand-on capstone projects. With very generous scholarships and a strong industry collaboration, students are fully supported to grow, explore, and unlock their potential. Okay, now let's welcome NCCU President Professor Li to share his views about GCIT.
我们国立政治大学新成立的学程，也是我们希望能够培养国际传播人才，资源丰富，设备新颖，然后师资非常的完整的一个学程，希望大家都可以在这个学程里面有很好的成长。So I'd like to emphasize that GCIT is one of the most important program at NCCU because it's especially supported by the Ministry of Culture and the Ministry of Education because of its importance for the country. Hopefully it can take advantage of all the resources that can provide to the program, especially in scholarship and also internship.
GCIT Go Global! Thank you, President Li, for your encouraging words. Now, let's take a closer look at the GCIT's distinguished program. So we can see GCIT curriculum is built upon 3 pillars: international news, digital content creation, and technological innovations, including AI MarTech. We integrate the latest technologies such as AI, SR, and virtual production, ensuring our students to stay ahead of future trends while gaining hands-on experiences. We also collaborate with international scholars and industry leaders, offer cross-disciplinary projects, innovation workshops, and global exchange opportunities. So you can see we have lots of talks and very well-known international scholars who join us. So we can see we have lots of professional mentorships, and these arrangements ensure our students are prepared to thrive in an interconnected world. So you can see we have lots of industry collaborators like Google, Meta, Bloomberg, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now let's hear from our visiting scholars and experts' view and see how they talk about GCIT.
GCIT seems to me like the future in the sense that it's combining so much new technology, but also expanding from Taiwan, but to the entire globe, from all over different parts of Africa to Europe to other parts of Asia. So it's incredibly innovative, but also crossing boundaries and borders, and both technological way, but also in a cultural way, which I think is a very unique experiment.
It's very impressive because I haven't seen anything like that anywhere else. in my experience. The innovative part is amazing, but also the interdisciplinary part is even more interesting for an academic institution. So this is a great project, and I wish you all the very best for its further expansion and further internationalization. It's fantastic.
My overall impression of GCIT so far is it's very dynamic and very forward-looking program. Honestly, I can't think of another similar program in all the U.S. communication schools or all the other Asian communication schools that I have experience with. So I would say it's truly one of a kind, and it is built on the intersection of global media, innovation, and technology. It has a very strong international focus, and it also has very strong institutional support.
It really gives students many opportunities to learn about new media in very forward-looking and innovative ways. I was also very impressed by the level of support and opportunities for students to actually not just engage in real-world settings, right, and work on projects. They are very much informed by industry, but also the opportunities GCIT program has in terms of global exposure.
I think GCIT is doing something really special. It gives students both strong academic training and hands-on experience that will prepare them to thrive in today's media and technology landscape.
Beyond coursework, GCIT partners with leading organizations across industries to cultivate the next generation of global communicators. We organize company visits, industry workshops, and collaborative projects that bring real-world insights directly into the classroom. In the field of generative AI, we are pioneering collaborations with top companies to create new forms of content. Faculty and students alike have a chance to experiment with cutting-edge technologies. And now, let's welcome someone very special, Arthur, our virtual ambassador, born right here in GCIT New Media Lab.
Hey everyone, I'm Arthur, GCIT Virtual Ambassador. I'm creative, curious, and passionate about exploring cultures and technology. From now on, you'll see me on GCIT website, social media, and maybe even in some unexpected places. Thanks to GCIT innovative curriculum and scholarships, we attract outstanding students from around the globe. Many have already won top student awards at NCCU. Now, let's hear their voices.
Yeah, I just graduated from GCIT, and for me the most interesting courses were about communication and new media, especially the ones that were focusing on journalism were really interesting for me personally, because that's where I'm hoping to go in my career. But of course there's so many more options, so you can really pick and choose your unique curriculum that suits your interests and your hopes for your future career.
I think GCIT is a big family full of the international students here, and I can make friends from different countries, and I can make different backgrounds students here.
I'd recommend GCIT because it has a lot of opportunities to connect with the industry. They held a lot of professional advising session or the company visiting, and I really gained a lot of practical insights from it. I would say GCIT is a hands-on, practical, and super valuable program.
I choose GCIT because my major is law. I want to mix the technology and law and how can get a better knowledge about that.
I choose GCIT because this is the first EMI program in Taiwan, and also has some advanced facilities and courses. Like we have new media studio, which attracts me a lot. And also I can connect with the academic research and hands-on practice during the time when I was writing a thesis or a capstone, and also to prepare for my future career.
Come with me to explore GCIT vibrant learning environment and experience the innovative spirit for yourself. GCIT is located at the highest point of NCCU, the Research and Innovation Incubation Center. It's the perfect venue for research, teaching, and industry collaboration. This is the GCIT Hub, our lively office space. Think of it as a startup. It's where ideas spark, from expert talks and capstone meetings to social gatherings. Here's our interactive classroom, the stage for orientations, workshops, guest lectures, and knowledge-sharing sessions. It's a place full of energy, dialogue, creativity. And finally, welcome to GCIT New Media Studio, my birthplace, and the origin of countless creative projects. Equipped with advanced virtual production systems and generative AI, this space merges real and virtual worlds for immersive storytelling. Students can master studio production, camera tracking, XR effects, and even co-create with virtual characters.
GCIT is where creativity comes alive, where students connect with the world and build their brands and showcase their global mindset.
Exactly. Every experiment, every challenge, is a step forward in growth.
At GCIT, the sky is the limit. Whether your passions lie in international news, digital storytelling, MarTech, or technological innovations, you will find your place here with like-minded peers.
Your future stage starts at GCIT. Let's go global together. Scan the QR code below to learn more. We look forward to welcoming outstanding young talents to the GCIT family. See you soon.
Master's Program in Global Communication and Innovation Technology, NCCU.